Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you may be in the world. There's a bit of an echo in here, in here, in here, in here. Anyway, on the theme of the 12 days of Christmas, today it's the 7th day of Christmas, and I couldn't find any swans. So we've got, oops, I'm not behaving themselves very well. 7 ducks are swimming. See, there they are, bless them. They're a little bit unbalanced. They're doing their best. Oh dear, that one just keeps falling out. Do you know there's always one? There is always one. This is the mother. It also does a poor temperature thing. Talking about poor temperature, this is heated to 32 degrees centigrade, which I know sounds excessive, but because of my back problems, when I had my back broken, this is a comfortable temperature. If it's any cooler than this, my back goes instantly into a spasm and I get in the water. Anyway, that's enough about that, just to explain, because I know it sounds excessive, but for me it's perfect. Now the pool, if you want to try and look all the way down the pool, is 12 metres long by 3 metres wide. It still isn't fully renovated in here. We've still got a bit of an odd sort of purple curtain at the doors that lead out into the lower courtyard, and paper blinds on the windows. How they've survived the humidity in here, I will never know, but they have. The day around will cover that joint up there. We're going to have some Venetian blinds here that are suitable for, you can get ones that are suitable for a kitchen and bathroom. And they'll be fine in here with the humidity. We've got sandstone pavers, which are great. They're non-slip. They've still got that slightly rough sort of finish. And they're a bit on the exy side, but you only do this once. And this pool is the main reason why we did this huge extension. My dressing room is on the other side of that wall, over there. And we've got our regulation CPR and resuscitation poster up there. We bought 5 of these outdoor wooden benches right here. This is to house a hose that's to do with the extraction unit to take the humidity out of the air here. And down here, so we've got 3 down here. And those house all the pool cleaning equipment. Make it look a bit neat. We've got good old idea fake bamboo in the corners, just for almost a bit of greenery, a bit of something. As I said, it's nearly finished, but not quite. The window frames need painting, one hand coat of paint. We have a heavily insulated pool cupboards over the pool when I'm not swimming in it to keep the heat in. So we've got the black sort of tubular heating on this side of the roof here, which gets the most sun. So in the summer that heats the pool. We've got a heat pump which in winter heats the pool, and that uses 8 kilowatts of power, and you'll understand now why we're a bit hesitant about getting aircon, because power in Australia is very, very expensive. We've got 5 kilowatts of solar panels on the roof. Tesla battery stores 14 kilowatts, and that obviously helps a lot, but even so, our power bills are in excess of $1,000. Apart from the summer, and a bit less. As you can see, it's a slightly It's not really a cathedral scene, but you know, it follows the line of the roof. I actually wanted that to be much higher, but we're limited by the council to the height of the roof line that we can build. But it's a great space. I mean, this pool really is a dream come true. I wanted an indoor heated pool for ages. Never thought I'd really get one, but you know, the only way I managed to get one is by being a serial renovator. You know, flipping in houses, buying them, doing them up, selling them before I got the osteoarthritis. But yeah, what else can I tell you about the pool? It's just beautiful. It really is beautiful. I mean, the temperature is, how close to body temperature is that?
5 degrees.
5 degrees. So it's very close to body temperature. And it's just really soothing. We've got a bionizer which basically sanitises the water. So that's in place of chlorine or salt. I mean, you can live for it. You can drink the water. There is no taste to it whatsoever. It's really lovely to get out of the pool and not have that horrible smell of chlorine. I find it really difficult just standing here talking to the cameraman while I'm doing a swim. Anyway, as I said, we don't have swans. You just can't get swans at this time of year. I mean, we did try, but the only ones I could find were huge inflated ones that were, you know, this big. So it'll have to be 7 ducks for swimming. They're not so me. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you is down here. Don't you go down there. Just do not do as they're told. Just do it right. Also, this pool is a liner pool, which was the easiest thing to do here. Well, I say easy, it didn't turn out to be easy to install at all, but it was the best way of doing it. I use these, you've seen me in the shop do the weightlifting thing with these, and they're just on the side. What I use them for, because I can't lift weights because of the back problem, is for resistance training. Yeah, I basically just hold them down like that. And that tightens all the small muscle groups in the arms. My arms are a bit on the flabby side at the moment because I used to swim and exercise every day in here. But since I've been doing YouTube, you know, I haven't had the time. So hopefully in the new year, when I start making videos on Tuesday and Friday, and by the way, apologies about the change from Wednesday to Friday to Tuesday to Friday. But work schedules have changed, and you know. So there'll be 2 good videos coming out a week instead of 3 rushed ones. And it will give me more time to, you know, exercise on the pool properly. I also had, and you know, I thought everybody could do this until we moved here, because it didn't have a pool. Because, you know, we designed this and had it built after we moved in. We used to go to the local pool that was relatively well heated. And I was just floating on the water like this. And one of the swimming instructors said, "Wow, you're just floating on the water." I thought everybody could do this. You know, I can sit on a position on a chair. It's really comfortable. You know what I mean? It's like lying on the bed. I think I could even sleep on this one. It wouldn't be a good idea if you rolled over. That might be a bit conditioning. It's a very attractive hair. Yeah. What else can I tell you? We've got thermal insulation in the walls. That's sound insulation as well, and it's some sort of eco composition, so it's not a toxic thing. And you can just hear the odd car go past, but apart from that, it's pretty quiet in here. We've got double glazed windows, which in Australia are almost impossible to find. Because we're just, we're a bit behind times here, a bit behind the times here, sorry. Oh, and I found on eBay vintage sign on the wall here. I just said there's still a lot more design elements to put into this room. But I just thought this one was really funny. My oldest grandson thought it was funny as well. I wanted to show you a few of the exercises that I do. Is there a side outside? Isn't it? Yeah. I do exercises like this, keeping the leg in the water straight. Keeping this straight, touching the toes. I do a lot of those. And I also do a lot of sideways leg raises. There's a bit of the hip flexors. And also these. What else do I do? I walk down the floor with a knee high tendon body, okay? Just doing knee raises like that. Like a slight twist. It's good for your side abs. Especially, when you reach a certain age, you do tend to start, all of us tend to start spreading out in the middle of it, so trying to keep the waist as trim as possible. The biggest thing with me is the arms, and they would benefit from lifting heavy weights. Not too heavy, heavy-ish, but I can't do it. It hurts like too much, so I'm just thinking if I can get back to swimming every day, this will hopefully tighten up a bit, the craggy skin will get filled out by a bit more muscle. And then, who knows? I might be able to wear a little sleeveless one. On that note, I might say, there is one other thing actually. I just want to point out to you the lights on the walls. This house was built around 1920. These wall lights are very old deco. They've got that real deco. I love these lights. I tell you what, it was a complex build, this one. It really was, because when the digger came in at 4 feet, we hit groundwater. And we're on top of a hill, which is a bit weird. So we're basically in a rocky basin like that on top of a hill. Anyway, on that note, I would like to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed already, thank you. Thumbs up would be great, because then the algorithm might promote this video. And do please leave a comment down under. I love reading your comments. And I love replying to them. It might take me a day to reply to them, because sometimes I don't have time the same day, when the video is published, but I will always get round to replying to you. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. À bientôt, mes amis. Au revoir et bonsoir.